If your child was injured in a car accident here in Orlando or anywhere in Florida and you don't know what to do, this video is for you. First of all, make sure that you get your child seen by medical personnel. That's first and foremost. That's needless to say, right? Number two, make sure that we have all the evidence we need to prove the case, prove who's at fault, those kinds of things. What's different in a minor case versus a regular case, if we get a settlement for $15,000 or more, what the law in Florida says is we have to get court approval from a judge to say that we're allowed to accept the settlement. And we also have to have a plan for what we're going to do with the money that the minor gets out of the settlement. There are a number of hoops we have to jump through. We may have to go and get a brokerage account set up or get a college plan put together, things of that nature. The reason they do this is because back in the old days, we would give the money straight to the parents and then they go and they spend all the money frivolously, waste it, don't put any money for the child. They changed the law to make it so that there is a plan for the money, there is oversight over this money. Even though it is kind of a pain in the butt, it's just extra hoops that I as your lawyer will have to jump through. It's not something that most people can do on their own. So if your child unfortunately was injured in a car accident, a truck accident, any kind of accident, give me a call. Not only do I have to prove the case and get the maximum amount of money for your child, but even after that hard work is done and accomplished, we then have to go to that next piece, which is we have to go and get court approval to be allowed to accept the settlement. And it can take months. So it's important that we get a jump on it right away so that ultimately get the money in your child's pocket. If you have any questions about that, give me a call, get me involved as soon as you can, and I'd be happy to help you and your child.